Gusto mo rin ba bigyan ng pamana plan ang anak mo? Trending ngayon ang guaranteed 300,000 cash payout yearly for life. Yes, tama po. For life. Makakatanggap si baby ng 300,000 cash payout yearly until age 100. Kung gusto mo rin ng ganitong plan para sa education, retirement, at future ng baby mo, this video is for you. The name of this plan is Sun Life Secure Income. Kaka-launch lang nito last October 2024. Ano naman ang benefits? May life insurance coverage na may iiwan sa beneficiary kapag pumanaw yung insured. May optional riders naman na pwede mong i-add kapag gusto mong dagdagan ang protection mo. May centenarian bonus na pwede mong i-advance ang 25% ng face amount ni client at age 80, 85, 90, at 95. Yes, maganda rin po siya na pang-retirement fund. At syempre, may yearly dividends earning ka. Yes po, yearly ka nagkakaroon ng dividends until age 100. It's your option kung gusto mo siyang i-withdraw yearly or gusto mong ipunin para tumubo pa. At last, may guaranteed 6% cash payout yearly ka until age 100. Take note, makakatanggap ka lang ng cash payout yearly after 6 years ng plan. Fixed din ang paying years. Pwede mong bayaran ng 3, 5, 10 years, or 15 years to pay pa. Pwede ka mamili, depende sa budget mo. Example natin, kung ang face amount ni baby ay 5 million, ang life insurance coverage niya ay 10 million dahil laging times 2 ng face amount ni client ang life insurance coverage niya. Kung 1-year-old mo kinuhanan ng life insurance si baby at her age 7 years old, makakatanggap na siya ng 300,000 cash payout yearly until age 100. Ang dividends earnings naman, at her age 1-year-old, nag-earn na ng dividends ang life insurance niya. Again, it's your option kung i-withdraw mo yearly or iipunin mo kay Sun Life para tumubo pa. Ang ganda, di ba? So kung wala ka pang nahanap na plan, maybe this is the sign. If you need a financial advisor, I'm here. This is Lee. Don't hesitate to message me if you have any inquiries about insurance, health, and investment.